Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of hijab accessories, focusing on one of the most innovative products on the market. Introducing the best Hijab Magnetic PINs Pearl, designed to redefine convenience and style in hijab accessorizing. Whether you're looking for a secure yet elegant way to style your hijab or seeking a thoughtful gift for a loved one, this product promises to deliver both functionality and charm. Let's break down what makes these magnetic pins so special. Crafted from high-quality materials, each pin boasts a magnetic clasp that ensures a firm hold without damaging delicate fabrics. The pearls add a touch of sophistication, making them perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. What sets these pins apart is their attention to detail. The smooth finish of each pearl and the durable magnet are testament to the craftsmanship behind this product. It's not just about functionality, it's about enhancing your overall look with a touch of elegance. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use these magnetic pins. Simply place the pin on your hijab where you want it secured, and let the magnets do the rest. No more struggling with traditional pins that can snag or poke through fabric. With these, you get a secure hold every time, without compromising on comfort. To summarize, the best Hijab Magnetic PINs Pearl or your must-have accessory for a seamless hijab experience. Whether you're attending a formal event or simply running errands, these pins offer the peace of mind that your hijab will stay in place, while you look and feel your best. That concludes our review of the best Hijab Magnetic PINs Pearl. If you're ready to elevate your hijab game, click the link in the description to get your own set today. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products that matter to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.